towards Kannur. Kannur is Lakkadi viewpoint. Morning cup of tea with this view and weather. That's what you would want when you're here at Zostel in Wayanad, I guess. Today there was kind of a sunrise as well. It so happened that the rains have gone, the fog is a little less, so I think witnessing a sunrise was quite possible today. But wow, just look at this. The fish is still in bed. He was awake some time ago and he's still just lying down there. So it's the day to leave. In no hurry to leave and all, but relaxed. We'll go visit a few other locations that we have in mind today, and then head down towards the seashore. And finally there you could spot the sun in Wayanad as well. It's through those trees, but yeah. I was just here a few minutes ago and just headed back to fill my cup of tea, and there the sun was out. So we all set to ride. Heading back to Chakra Peak starting point now. So until next time, Zostel. ആ ബ്രിഡ്ജിന്റെ അടുത്തല്ലേ മഴ കയറിയില്ല. പോയിട്ട് വരാം. തിരിച്ചു പോരായി ഇല്ല, കണ്ണൂരേക്ക് വരാ. ശരി. So, all Zostlers had finished their visits. And this time, I decided to get my bike all the way up to that. Just trying my butt off.
off-roading on this bike.
Just look at this. I never knew that such a place existed here. I wouldn't have taken bath at Zostel itself. But yeah, they say this is a source of water. Hey, Tish made up his mind again. So finally made up my mind, control my hunger and sweat up a little. Got my boots wet, doesn't matter. I would like to have a shower here, I guess, but time doesn't permit me for that. Yatish is there. Mom, say hi! He's enjoying the view from there.
The water flows from somewhere up there and comes in this. Had a lovely time there. Only if you would have taken the chance to trek up that waterfall yesterday, it would have been a different experience altogether. Now we're going towards, we're headed to Luckily Viewpoint. We have 2-3 places in mind to visit today on the way. So, in case we come across some other place on the way, we might visit that as well. Luckily Viewpoint next. So we came to Foucault Lake, which we found on the way towards Luckily Viewpoint, but the parking is like really far. And we are not in the mood to walk today. So yeah, this is the lake on the right. That's what he said. All this from the edge of that parking lot, all this is inside the forest region, so we're not allowed to park here. And previously when I visited, this is where we park. We used to park in the road. So this is the entrance, and that is the lake where we have boating. It's one of the most popular tourist destinations in Wayanad. This is Lakkadi viewpoint. Actually, it's supposed to be here during sunset or after sunset. That's when you can see lights. So, we reached Lakkadi viewpoint. The road just goes down this mountain and you can view it from the top. So we're taking an internal route towards Kannur. So some Google Maps show a different route to avoid a major stretch of the highway. I don't know how major that was, but yeah, okay, fine. We'll go through the internal route. Ends up to the same town. Why not? We're hardly about a kilometer or two away from the seashore. Yeah, hardly distance away from the seashore. We're like riding beside the seashore. We're on the coastal highway, basically. Malpe Beach. Now we are going to enter a union territory. I'm not sure how many of you know that there is a Puducherry in the west as well. If you know about it, well, for those who don't know, yes, there is a Puducherry in the west that is called Mahi, I think, M-A-H-E. We'll be entering that union territory now. It's a very small area. There's not much. What do you say? Won't seem like a union territory to me. It doesn't seem like. We just crossed the excise department checkpost, sales tax checkpost, and all that stuff and all. But yes, officially it is a union territory. But when you're riding past like this, you won't even know whether you've gone through one or not. This is the Mahi Bridge. And there you see on the left is the seashore. This beach has multiple entrances. It's a very long beach. And here we are, finally. Huh? 40. First tell us. So we pay 20 rupees to enter the beach and finally me and my bike have made it to the beach.
finished all our circuses in the beach, the drive-in beach. We came here and had puttu and kadla curry. We are in Kannur. We had puttu and kadla curry here. Short snack. Our food timing has gone haywire today. We're not able to find the right time, the right place. We're not having food, so otherwise everything else is okay. So next stop home, and I'll finish it off here for today. Yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tired enough for it. Done. To ride in the night. Lot of traffic. Very busy highway. Can't help it.